Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Kikkawa College Massage Therapy School. My name is Alois Nikodam. I'm a program director. We apply this through the sheets, simply following the contours of the client's body. Next is the light fingertip stroking. Okay, these are opening techniques that we started the routine with, followed by vibrations that we apply directly over the spine. Then we follow with light compressions, moving up and down along the spine and down again, and back to rocking. After a couple of minutes of opening techniques, we generally undrape the client and start applying the techniques directly to the client's skin. For most of these techniques, we need to apply lotion to decrease the friction between the client's hands and the client, between the therapist's hands and the client. This is Effleurage. Okay, so I'm just spreading the oil on top of the client's back, following the contours of the body, moving with light pressure, but gradually progressing into a deeper techniques. From Effleurage, we can switch to ringing, which is a cross-body technique, using full palm contact and moving my hands across the client's back. And with most massage techniques, we will not change each stroke after about 5 or 6 rhythm. This is scooping. I'm moving it in a figure 8 back and forth on one side of the back and the other side of the back. And intermittently we can still progress into Effleurage. Next we are gonna do circles. So using full palmar contact, I'm performing what's called kneading. Any type of circular technique is called kneading. So I'm kneading up the back, around the shoulders, upper brachia, and then sliding back. Kneading. Then I'm going to apply stripping. I'm going to reinforce my hand and go in a straight line from the low back into the upper. One side and then the other side. And back to Effleurage. Some of these techniques can be applied more specifically with your thumbs or fingertips. So here I'm doing more circles. This is kneading again, but this time thumb kneading. Or I can knead with my fingers. Back to Effleurage. So these are all techniques that we learned in the first couple of months of the school, and even though they are simple, they form the backbone of each massage therapy treatment or routine. Effleurage, ringing, scooping, kneading, and back to Effleurage. Finish up with light fingertip stroking, vibrations, and then we can retrain the client. So this is a very basic back routine, and thank you very much.